guys, welcome back to another motivational video. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you guys saw by the title, we're doing an after dark clean with me. But before we start with the cleaning motivation, I am showing you the progress of my kids' bathroom. We had to change the tub. We had to do everything from scratch because it did not have a shower head, and then the tub, it was so old and rustic and it just needed a replacement. So this is the progress. This is what you guys are seeing little by little, guys. I am just so happy and feeling blessed that my husband, he knows how to do this, so we were able to get it done with a little bit of help, but we got it done. And this is the whole progress. I am not going to show you guys the whole review of the bathroom because it's not finished yet. You guys have to wait until a future video so you guys can see the whole remodel of the bathroom. But here I'm showing you guys the air vents. As you guys see, it's full of dust, dirt. It even has leaves, guys. How does that happen? Can somebody explain how does that happen? But this is all that accumulated. I don't even know what happened. But for those of you that might not know, we just purchased this home with my husband and we moved in like a month ago. So little by little, I am making this house my house. It's feeling homey and I am just feeling so blessed, guys, and I am feeling more blessed to bring you guys along in this journey. And hopefully you guys really enjoy watching these videos as much as I enjoy recording them for you guys. So yes, guys, so right here I'm just using hot water and soap, dish soap, and these brushes to get in there really good and get those dusty little places that I can't get with the sponge. So this is why I'm using these brushes to get in there and clean them really well and making these vents look like new. Okay, and as you guys see, I have a huge disaster going on, and don't ask how or why, because I don't even know why it gets like this. I don't even know. Probably because I got 4 kids and my husband and I, and we just make a mess. We just do. But with that being said, I'm just gonna start in my kitchen because that's where I have the huge mess going on. So yeah.
Some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. Slow it down, game's still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the ride. You will make it in time. You'll make it in time, time, time. You'll make it in time, time, time. What makes it worth the ride? You will make it in I always got these expectations. No one loves me like I love myself. Don't attempt to elevate this shit. I'm wandering from messing up. It goes so fast, 1 second I am dancing in your arms. The next one we were kissing in your car, and I am hitting rewind. Make it last, 1 minute we were perfect in your bed. The next one you were local with something I wish I never said. Ah damn, you got me feeling high on life, riding that pina colada style night. I'm so sure I'll be freaking out. You're only one drink from messing up. You make me blow like dynamite, riding that pina colada style night. I'm so sure I'll be freaking out. You're only one drink from messing up. Get a little lost in these translations, yeah. All my words are stuck in this delay. Now your touch kinda overwhelms me, but I'm wondering for messing up. Yeah, I'm wondering for messing up. It goes so fast, 1 second I am dancing in your arms. The next one we were kissing in your car, and I am hitting rewind. Make it last, 1 minute we were perfect in your bed. The next one you were local with something I wish I never said. Ah damn, you got me feeling high on life, riding that pina colada style night. I'm so sure I'll be freaking out. You're only one drink from messing up. You make me blow like dynamite, riding that pina colada style night. I'm so sure I'll be freaking out. You're only one drink from messing up. When I know that it's way too late, I can make any more mistakes. Then I'm wondering for messing up. I know when I know that it's way too late, I can make any more mistakes. Then I'm wondering for messing up. You got me feeling high on life, riding that pina colada style night. I'm so sure I'll be freaking out. You're only one drink from messing up. You make me blow like dynamite, riding that pina colada style night. I'm so sure I'll be freaking out. You're only one drink from messing up. I'm only one drink, yeah. I'm only one drink, I'm only one drink, only one drink, only one drink.
And what you guys see here is just a quick haul of what I got. I figured that a tension pool shower would look good on my kids' bathtub. And then I just got a curtain rod, a curtain liner, as you guys see. And this is all I have for now. But I just can't wait, guys, until you guys see the full review of the makeover of the bathroom. I'm just so excited. And right here we are continuing with the cleaning with the countertops. These countertops are always the catch it all, especially my dining room. My dining table is always the catch it all as well. I don't know, I am always putting stuff there and it always gets sticky. All my things get really sticky, so I have to make sure I wipe it really good so it won't feel I won't have to feel the stickiness.
I still wanna hold
hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Your eyes intoxicating. There's something about the way you look at me, and it's hard to explain it, but thinking about you makes me crazy. All the things you did to me, you showed me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating that it couldn't be the two of us, and it kinda feels like wasting something that was good right from the start. Let me tell you that I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. My mind's accelerating, your eyes intoxicating. I find it hard to explain. Oh, I keep thinking of you, about the times we had, and I wanted you to stay. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Hold you, hold you, hold. Hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, fuck it, I'm made this way. But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. For I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Ooh. Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the rain. Am I the only one? 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 Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why
messing up. It goes so fast, 1 second I am dancing in your arms. The next one we were kissing in your car, and I am hitting rewind. Make it last 1 minute, we were perfect in your bed. The next one you were local with something I wish I never said. Ah damn, you got me feeling high on life, riding that pina colada style night. I'm so sure I'll be freaking out. You're only one drink from messing up. You make me blow like dynamite, riding that pina colada style night. I'm so sure I'll be freaking out. You're only one drink from messing up. Get a little lost in these translations, yeah. All my words are stuck in this delay. Now your touch kinda overwhelms me, but I'm wondering for messing up. Yeah, I'm wondering for messing up. It goes so fast, 1 second I am dancing in your arms. The next one we were kissing in your car, and I am hitting rewind. Make it last 1 minute, we were perfect in your bed. The next one you were local with something I wish I never said. Ah damn, you got me feeling high on life, riding that pina colada style night. I'm so sure I'll be freaking out. You're only one drink from messing up. You make me blow like dynamite, riding that pina colada style night. I'm so sure I'll be freaking out. You're only one drink from messing up.
Alright then guys, as you guys could tell, we are all done with this cleaning motivation. Thank you so much for sticking to the end and doing this after dark clean with me. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload. And guys, God bless you all and take care. See you guys on the next one. Bye.